How many years you single?
Hmm?
How many years you single?
My member, family member.
How many years you're single?
Sorry, I don't understand.
How many years you single?
How many?
Years you single?
Sorry, I don't understand because your voice I cannot hear.
How many years? How
Yeah,
many? How many single?
I'm single. That's mean?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because no, I am not married because I am single. I am studying in uh, my education, and
Oh,
I
okay.
have I have a shop. I am barber. Do you know barber?
But yourself, you could
Yes,
tell?
yes, hair cutting.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a shop. I have parlor. I am barber, and
And
with work is study, and with work study. Yeah, and my family member, me and my mother.
for no. Hindi ko na. Nag-ito.
Hmm?
Okay. Okay. I'm ready to now. Maybe for already eating.
Oh, your voice is I cannot hear.
I will check with you. Wait.
Sorry.